Hi guys, today I received this double induction cooker for viewing purposes. I think it's quite nice. It comes very well packaged and protected with foam and everything. So this is it. You've got a timer, a boost, a lock, another boost, and another timer to control each one of these. It's really nice. So let's test it. I'm gonna plug it in here. Up here I've got the instructions manual. I'm gonna connect it right here to the outlet. Turn some. Just give a quick read. As you can see, it is heating up. I'll set it on the 6. I'm gonna put it a little lower. It goes from power 0 to 8. A little bit. Like that. You've got the boost. When we press it, it goes on to max power. Okay, I'm gonna set it up to 5. The timer, you can set it up, and child clock. Okay, so I'm gonna cook some beef. So as you can see, it's really easy to use. It works perfectly, and I will really recommend it. I love it. It's so easy to control. It tells you just what you need. It works great, and I like it. I love the design. It's a futuristic, minimalist design, which I like a lot, and I will really recommend it. See ya!